Guys, this is a foggy rain. As you can see it's not even 7 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. And it's raining. And when I was playing out with my YouTuber friends, a tornado happened. Actually, let me explain. Actually, I forgot it. Sorry, guys. As you guys see, guys, let me put it so bright. As you guys see, it's even raining. I can show in my hands right now. You see that? Even in here, it's even raining. Okay, guys, it's gonna be, and a tornado happened there. All the bats were going around, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Actually, guys, you see rain? So cold out there.